Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna. I share all things affordable fashion, and you guys know that Walmart is one of my favorite retail stores to share. And I actually wanted to do a video today on Walmart because they have the new line Free Assembly. Of course, they have a lot of new lines out lately, like Scoop and things like that. We know Walmart for like Time and True, No Boundaries, you know, they're normal pieces, but they're bringing out a lot of new fashion. And I've been obsessed with the quality of the new brands that they're bringing out, Free Assembly being one of those, and I'm super excited. I did share with you guys before that Free Assembly brought out a kids line, which we love in our household because we've always wore Walmart clothes. And the Free Assembly line is just a great line for the kids as well, but they now have a new men's line. And I recently purchased a few items for my fiance, and he was absolutely in love with the items. He was like, this is such an amazing quality. He loved the way they fit, the colors. Everything about them is so amazing. And I'm gonna include a picture here. We are both dressed head to toe, Free Assembly, Walmart. His boots are from Walmart. They're not by the brand Free Assembly. Same for my boots. They're not by the Free Assembly brand, but they are from Walmart, the Time and True brand. But jeans, sweater, his jacket that he has on, that orange and purple striped shirt, which looks amazing on him, and his jeans are all Free Assembly. He absolutely adores those jeans because he said he loved the way that they fit. They do have a little bit of distressing on the knee, but there are so many options on Walmart's site, and I know that a few stores are bringing in the Free Assembly line. I've noticed it in my store for the women's section, and I know they will continue to bring that in for the kids and also for the men's. But Free Assembly is a really good quality brand. The jeans fit me perfectly. And like I said, for my fiance, he said everything just fit totally amazing. But I'll show right here, if you go to walmart.com, you are able to shop so many different styles. They have some amazing spring and summer dresses coming out. And then again, since the men's line is kind of like a new launch here, so many just basic t-shirts that are very good quality. A lot of different style jeans from like the straight, boot cut, and even some skinny jeans on there for the men's. They come in multiple washes, like your light wash, dark wash, medium wash. There's some that's distressing, some that's not. So depending on what your partner may be into or you yourself may be into in the men's fashion area, you can find a pair of jeans or just pants as well in many different colors. They have a lot of cute tops as well. I say cute tops, a lot of nice tops for the men as well in our life. They have like these Hawaiian type shirts. They have really some stuff that you can transition from right now, us going into that colder season, into the warmer season. A lot of items great for the men in our life. If you're taking a vacation here soon, I am just absolutely obsessed with this Free Assembly line. And I'm so excited that we're getting kind of like that higher end fashion look, but for a fraction of the cost. The Free Assembly line is very, very affordable. And you can just tell with the way that the material is made and the way it feels on your skin that it is going to last. And that's one thing that I love, because we love wearing the Walmart brand because it is affordable, but also it being affordable and you're getting that good quality. As a mom of 3 and as, you know, a fiance who, you know, my fiance works out in the medical field as a sales rep. He needs, you know, a lot of nice clothes to be able to wear, and he can wear jeans here and there. So to have nice quality jeans that he can wear to work, and you know, those button-up tops are nice, just collared shirts. Those are very beneficial for our family. So I'm super excited that they now have this men's line because we're just all gonna be shopping at Walmart. We've always been shopping at Walmart, but now literally myself, y'all know my love for Walmart, but now my fiance, the kiddos. So if you see us one day, you know, just plaster all over Walmart, that is just because we do truly love it. And these new lines that they're bringing out is just the best quality that you can think of. So you can check out all of these items The items that I actually pictured of me and my fiance, I'll link down below so that way you guys can shop those. But if you go on walmart.com, there are so many items, and I know that there is something for everyone out there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Head to walmart.com and find something great for yourself or for your significant other. And you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching this video.